Skymel OA, Orchestration Agent AI, is one of the most exciting AI tools to just hit the market. And today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology to streamline your operations, automate tasks, and level up your business, this might be the solution you've been searching for. Before we dive in, you can try Skymel OA completely free with the first link below. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Skymel OA is the best AI software for your needs. Let's start with its core functionality. Skymel OA, Orchestration Agent, is designed to help businesses automate complex workflows by integrating various tools and processes into one seamless system. This is perfect for anyone looking to reduce manual tasks, boost productivity, and improve efficiency. It's essentially like having a digital assistant that handles coordination between different parts of your business, making sure everything is running smoothly. What sets Skymel OA apart is its ease of use. While some orchestration tools can be complex and require deep technical knowledge, Skymel OA prides itself on a user-friendly interface that anyone, even without a technical background, can pick up quickly. It offers a clean dashboard with intuitive drag-and-drop features to set up workflows without needing to write code. Next, it's scalable. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a large enterprise with multiple teams, Skymel OA adapts to your needs. The software integrates with all the major platforms, from CRM systems like Salesforce to project management tools like Trello, making it incredibly versatile. This flexibility makes it a powerful solution for businesses of all sizes. Another standout feature is its automation capabilities. Skymel OA can automatically assign tasks, notify team members, and even update records across multiple systems. For example, when a customer places an order, Skymel OA can trigger workflows to update the inventory, notify the shipping team, and send a confirmation email, all without you lifting a finger. This level of automation can save hours every day, which translates to real-time efficiency and faster results. Skymel OA also focuses on data security, which is essential for any business handling sensitive information. With built-in encryption, secure data transfers, and compliance with industry standards, you can rest assured that your data is protected. What's impressive is how it handles analytics. Skymel OA not only automates tasks, but also provides real-time reporting on your processes. Whether you want to track performance, understand bottlenecks, or assess team efficiency, the software gives you detailed insights to help you optimize your workflows. Finally, Skymel OA is constantly evolving. The team behind it is committed to improving the software with regular updates that add new features, integrations, and improvements. This means that as your business grows and your needs change, Skymel OA is growing with you, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective. You can test out Skymel OA completely free by clicking the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've made sure to list my top recommendations in the description, so make sure to check those out for more AI software you can try for free. So, is Skymel OA the best AI software for you? If you're looking to automate workflows, streamline your business processes, and boost efficiency, it's definitely worth a try. Don't forget to check out the free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.